Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, October 22nd, 2020. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now, a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we have Think About It Thursday. So our quote for today says, if you're making mistakes, it means you're out there doing something. All right, so you can't make a mistake if you don't try, but you're not ever going to be successful or learn anything if you don't try. So get out there and try some things. We're not ever going to be perfect, and we're always going to make mistakes, but that means we're learning and we are doing small things and sometimes big things. Today, Thursday, October 22nd, for breakfast we have cinnamon roll, yogurt, fruit juice, and milk. And for lunch we have pulled pork on a bun, baked beans, fruit juice, and milk. Tomorrow, Friday, our breakfast is pancakes and sausage, fruit juice, milk. And for lunch, it's that cheesy bottom pizza with potato wedges or tots, fruit juice, or milk. Today's birthday, we have Jason Woodward and Kaylee Anderson. Happy birthday! Today's announcement. Students, you are doing an awesome job with the new car line procedures. Way to go. Keep up the great work. Remember to keep listening really carefully during dismissal for your number and move quickly to get in line or to get outside. Students, we have an exciting new award that we will be granting each month. We will have a Shepherd Supporter of the Month. This award will recognize someone that you nominate. Nomination forms are now located in the teacher workroom, so ask your teacher to pick one up for you today. Ms. Gibbs also sent some out in an email, so everyone should have access to those nomination forms now, and we are so excited to see who you nominate for Shepherd Supporter of the Month. A couple of reminders for our teachers. Seating chart should already be turned in to Nurse Eaton for every classroom. This information is submitted to the central office, so please make sure you attend to this today if you have not already. Make sure you are discussing safety drill procedures in your classroom. Bulletin boards need to be updated by October 28th. We can't wait to see you show off your students' great work in the hallways. And don't forget, we have that extended PE schedule next week on 10/23, 10/26, and 10/27, depending on grade level. So that's coming up later on. Also a reminder that we have Red Ribbon Week coming up next week, and that is October 26th through the 30th. You can participate in some dress-up activities. Monday, we can sock it to drugs. Tuesday, we're putting a cap on drugs. Wednesday, we are too bright for drugs. Thursday, we're going to team up against drugs. And Friday, we're going to say boo to drugs. That's all for today's news. I hope you have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.